How Blake saved his company's bottom line and earned himself some personal props. Rising utility bills have forced many businesses to invest in costly technologies to be more energy efficient. But these investments sometimes turn out to be costly mistakes. Meet Blake, the VP of Engineering for a major airport hotel. Last week, the CEO at Blake's company showed executives a graph of how electricity bills were rising faster than revenues. Then he looked squarely at Blake and asked, "What are you going to do to keep energy costs from eating our profits?" That question kept him awake at night. "I'm the one who pushed through the purchase of that expensive HVAC system last year. But now all I hear are constant complaints about air comfort and why my decisions haven't paid off." His boss wanted a better way, and Blake knew he'd better find it fast. The next morning, Blake called a consultant he'd met at a conference to get a little advice. The consultant told him, "There's something new in the market from a young company named Smart Grid Billing. It's getting a lot of attention out there. Their cloud-based software communicates with smart thermostats as well as the building's smart meter." The consultant continued, "When the electrical loads are too heavy, the software will turn off the power to individual devices just long enough to keep your hotel in the best pricing tier, but not so long anyone's going to notice the changes to air quality." After a call to the company, Blake learned that the cost to install the system is low, so the hotel CEO authorized Blake to sign a contract with Smart Grid Billing without delay. In a short time, Blake was logging on to the Smart Grid Billing servers to create profiles and levels of access for his staff. They love the mobile phone app that lets them see energy status from anywhere. After validating the savings, Blake planned to sign up for the Smart Grid Billing Negawatts program. This would allow the company to get paid by Smart Grid Billing for the energy they save during periods of high demand on the grid. "That's for us," thought Blake. "Automatic rewards for being efficient 24/7. Here's Blake 6 months later. He isn't hearing any more complaints about the air being too hot or too cold, because Smart Grid Billing has shown him an innovative way to save money and make money on electricity. He can't help but feel a little proud of his new status as the hotel's financial genius.